Are you tired of not being able to add a simple, classic link in bio to your Elementor website? Discover the exact steps to do it in under 3 minutes. We'll start by editing the homepage, then navigate to the link in bio widget, select Classic, and activate it. Let's dive in. Start by heading to Edit the Homepage with Elementor. That's where we'll add the link in bio. You'll see a highlighted area on the page, so click on that first. Then, in the menu that pops up, select Link in Bio. Now, choose Classic from the options to go with the classic style. Click the Use Classic widget button. It mentions dozens more pro features to extend your toolbox and build sites faster. Go ahead and hit Upgrade Now when the upgrade prompt appears. Finally, click Upgrade Now one more time, and just like that, you're all set. Enjoy! If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.